Now to those bonuses we mentioned. Some of the top people at the FDA are getting them at the time the agency is under fire for failing to protect the public from health emergencies like the salmonella outbreak. Nancy Cordes has the CBS News investigation.
It's been a bad year for the FDA's top brass.
FDA is an agency in crisis.
Accused by Congress of mishandling health scares linked to pet food, heparin, Avandia, and now salmonella. But based on their bonuses, you would think it was a banner year at the FDA.
They gave her a $48,000 bonus.
Representative Bart Stupak is outraged that 28 senior FDA executives took in a combined $1 million in bonuses last year, pushing their pay above members of Congress, federal judges, even some cabinet secretaries.
They've done such a miserable job these last 2 years. I think they should leave, not get bonuses of $40,000 and $50,000.
For example, $48,000 in a cash award and retention bonus went to an associate commissioner whose plan to overhaul FDA field labs was rejected by Congress as poorly thought out. $41,000 went to the director of the Office of Criminal Investigations, pushing his total income to $208,000, more than the director of the FBI.
The kicker, I guess, is the person who was hired to reform the bonus system received the biggest bonus.
How big was that?
$58,000.
On average, those 28 top executives received an extra $37,000 in 2007. We asked the head of the FDA why.
What we're talking about here was the need to have highly experienced, highly capable, technical experts that without which the country would suffer.
But bonuses to experts like scientists and doctors are not what worry congressional investigators. They say a quarter of the $35 million in bonuses the FDA handed out last year went to bureaucrats, not technical experts, and that many of the same bureaucrats are getting big retention bonuses year after year.
These should be referred to not as retention bonuses, but blackmail bonuses. All people have to do is sign a statement saying, "I'll leave unless you give me $50,000.
Not all FDA employees, though, hit the jackpot. Among the rank and file, the biggest bonus went to the Inspector of the Year. But Katie, she got a relatively paltry $2,500.
And Nancy, aren't there any limits on how much these government agencies can actually spend on bonuses?
Well, they're not allowed to give any one employee more than 25% of their base pay in a bonus. But beyond that, they are not required to justify these big bonuses or particularly prove that an employee earned one this year.
Well, they may be now. Nancy Cordes in Washington. Nancy, thank you.